do you think of the water? Look at Claire. Claire, what do you think of the beach? Good. Good? Is the water cold?
No.
No?
Yeah. She's a polar bear.
She's from Wyoming.
Oh, well, yeah, this is warm.
Yeah.
I've been to Wyoming.
Oh, yeah?
Cheyenne.
Yeah, it's where we live in Laramie. It's where we live.
I love Wyoming.
What's Rosie doing? Jump, 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 jump. There's my pregnant belly.
It's a long pregnant belly.
I know, it's really long.
Long shadow. Look, someone made a snowman there.
I know, isn't it cute? Woo, Julia! Rose, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the beach?
Hey, Rosie.
Not sure.
Come here.
Not sure about it.
Rosie, come see Daddy.
Hi.